ElroyzToyz here. We got another antique store find from the weekend. It's an Almont ReKey. That one actually I do have a key for. And also a no name. You can see how big it is compared to my thumb. Unfortunately, the key does not work. And I've poked at it and haven't got that one to open yet anyway. So I'll have to mess with that one still. We'll try this guy right now with the Covert Instruments Reaper set number 40 top of the keyway tensioner. And Jimmy Long's 15 thousandths short flat hook. So jump into here real quick, see if we can find what's binding. Almost felt like 3 was at first, but let's go another route. Let's go from a different, off the warty on the side here. Alright, one feels like it's binding. Oh, I think we got that. Oh, not too. He's got some tension on it, but it's not still. 1, 4. Moving, but let's say overset right off the bat. Let's go to 5. Springy, springy. There we go. I think that was 2. Just trying to make sure 1. Nothing's going on with 1. Okay, 2. Now it's binding in order. It seems like 3. Alright. Like something here needs just a little nudge. There we go. Just need a little more love on number 4. Alright, so number 4, or the Almont ReKey opened. Anybody's got any advice on this little guy? I'm all ears. And Jimmy Long to the rescue. Alright, appreciate you guys watching. Get the focus back in here. And thank you until next time. Appreciate it.